decision, the Supreme Court has reinforced the fundamental rights within marriage law, ruling that a husband cannot be denied maintenance even if his wife refuses to comply with a decree of restitution of conjugal rights. To understand the depth of this ruling, we must first explore the legal backdrop. The decree of restitution of conjugal rights is a legal order demanding a spouse to cohabit with the other. The Supreme Court's decision in this case underscores a pivotal legal principle. The right to maintenance is independent of compliance with conjugal restitution. Analyzing the court's decision, it is clear that the judges aim to protect the financial security of individuals, ensuring that maintenance remains a right, irrespective of marital disputes over cohabitation. The implications of this decision are far-reaching. For legal professionals and scholars, it establishes a critical precedent in marriage law, highlighting the judiciary's role in adapting to the evolving dynamics of personal relationships. As we move forward, this decision will undoubtedly influence future cases and discussions surrounding marriage law, reinforcing the balance between legal obligations and personal rights.